and enter an order to put Venus into the dash 02.
Have we established whether or not she's okay? Have Dad been able to talk to her? Or have we established that, that at this point?
Question, Venus. Ms. Freiner's indicated only that the child is refusing to go back and that Ms. Freiner doesn't have the funds to send her back. Because of the confusion, the court thinks it's better to have Ms. Freiner appear in court with the child. But Ms. Freiner, you can go ahead and answer the guardian's question.
Delilah's doing fine. She's doing great.
Is there any way that we can have her put on the phone so the court can hear her?
Yeah, she's here. Hold on. Delilah.
Hello?
Okay, I just wanted to see you were okay. The court needed to hear your voice.
Yeah, I'm okay.
I didn't care if you were here.
Okay, thank you.
Delilah, this is the court. I wanted to make sure that you hear, maybe you've heard the whole thing. I didn't think to ask if you were listening to the whole proceeding, but the court's going to expect you to show up next week in court. Do you understand that?
Okay. I don't want to go with him. I don't know why you guys are trying to force me to go with him. Like, I'm not happy there. I don't like being there. I'm depressed there. I'm suicidal there. So why are you forcing a kid to live there? Like, it just doesn't make sense to me.
So the GAL has been put back into the case. The GAL will reach out to you, Delilah, and she'll talk to you about what's going on. But at this point in time, the court has entered an order that needs to be followed, okay? So the court's going to expect you and your mom to show up on Wednesday of next week, okay?
I don't want to go with him. I don't like being there. I don't like living there. I tried. I did try. And, that's the saddest I've ever been. So it's not like I didn't make an attempt to, make it work, or I didn't, follow by what the court had to say, because I did try. But, whenever you're constantly being suppressed and you're so depressed that you don't even want to live anymore, why force a child to go back into that situation?
Unfortunately, there are ways that you can bring things to the court's attention, but the way you don't bring things to the court's attention is by violating a court order. So there are things that can be filed, but right now, the only thing that's in front of me is the judgment that requires you to be with your dad at this time. So that's what I have to enforce at this point in time. I tell you to reach out to your guardian. That's why we have guardians in cases. So reach out to Venus. I know you have a good relationship with her, and talk to her between now and Wednesday, but the court expects you to follow the court's order, okay?
Can I ask a question on has Ms. Freiner took her to a therapist to diagnose all those the way Delilah's feeling right now?
My dad didn't take me to counseling while I was there.
I'm asking about your mom. Did she take you?
No, I don't. I'm happier here, and while I'm here, I don't feel the way that I do whenever I'm there. So there's no need for me to get counseling while I'm here.
Well, did you request counseling from your dad when you were up there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, the court will go ahead and enter a counseling order for you to do that.
I don't mean to interrupt, but I did have Delilah signed up for counseling on January 4th, and she did miss that counseling appointment.
All right, everybody.
Okay.
So the court's made it very clear at this point in time, the only order and judgment before the court is that Dad would have custody right now. So that's the order that the court's enforcing. Again, everybody can file whatever they need to file, but that's the court's order as of today. I want to be very clear that the court expects Ms. Freiner, Mr. Judy, and Delilah to all appear on Wednesday, February 3rd at 8 a.m. at the courthouse. Does everybody understand that?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Anything else for today?